Okay, here is how to use your snip tool or snipping tool. First, you have to go to Google, you search your favorite snacks nutrition label. I would click images because it brings you this. Click images to make it better. Try not to get one of them that's on the bag, but another one that's very clear. It's interesting because they're giving me all kinds of different information. But if I go to down here, it'll say like what it is. Cheez-It Baked Snack crackers. I don't think those are Cheez-Its. This is chili Cheez-Its. So you can get exactly what you think you need. And I'm going to go with, I'm going to go with that one. This is out of the box because there's 12 servings per container and there's 27 crackers. So that's going to be different than these little bags, just so you know. Okay, then you're going to go down here, down to your search, and you're going to type, I always type in the word snip. Snip and Sketch is what mine's called, but the old one's called Snipping Tool. You click New, and you just drag and exactly what you want. Now, the best part about Snipping Tool, instead of just screenshotting, is if I wanted to, I could mark this up. This is how teachers do this if they want you to see something specific. So I could highlight, she wants to know how much fat is in it, so circle where the grams of fat are, or put an arrow next to how many servings are in this container. I don't know. Maybe that's what you're supposed to do. But then you can save this. You don't have to do any of that. All you need to do is get the little label, copy. You can always download it. But if you're not going to save it forever, why download it? Then you're going to go back to your label activity. Click. You already have it copied. Control V. And it puts it right in there. So you answered these questions about this label. That's it. Ask if you have questions.